LabVIEW automatically updates the palettes linked to an library as you add files or remove files from the library, LLB. You can set a palette to automatically update if you add new files to or remove files from a directory. Let's see how we can do that. So first let's go and place a folder, copy it, that we would like to appear in the LabVIEW palette. Now let's go to the LabVIEW palette and we will place it in the user lib. Let's paste it there. Let's go to LabVIEW. Let's create a new VI. Let's place refresh palette function onto the block diagram so that we don't have to restart the LabVIEW. Let's run the VI. Let's go and check, and let's go to user libraries, and there is our folder with its contents. Now to make it synchronize with the folder, let's go to the tools menu, then advanced, and then edit palette set. So when the edit controls and functions palette set appears, let's go to our user libraries and let's right click the folder that we added and let's select Synchronize with Directory. If it were not, and we would do it now, then a dialog box will appear where we can select the folder that is to be synchronized. Note, if you add a directory or .llb file to directory with which you synchronize and the subdirectory or file name begins with an underscore, the contents of the subdirectory or file do not appear on the palette. If an item is synchronized to a directory, you can display the path to the source directory by right clicking it and choosing display path to the palette, display synchronization path, and it shows where the path is pointing to. If an item is synchronized with a directory, you cannot delete the item from the palette. So to hide an item that is synchronized with a directory, right click the item and select hide synchronized item from the shortcut menu. The items that are hidden do not appear on the palette and are not included when you search the palettes. So let's go and test. Save changes. Continue. So let's check. Right click, user libraries, and as you can see, the VI that we marked as hidden is no longer here. So let's go and see if the synchronization is correct or not. Let's remove something from that directory. So to check synchronization, let's go to the folder, userlib folder, where we placed the subfolder. Let's go inside and let's remove a VI. Let's suppose we remove this VI. Let's go back to LabVIEW. Let's refresh the palettes by running the VI so that this function is called. And let's now check. Let's go to user libraries, our folder, and the removed VI is no longer in the palettes.